Kubleye pi baro ipolo jonga ladap pitang degi barang thamai subha pin share like but subscribe yakani ga channel jonga kanang ba pinang yo shibun ki notification nane ki updates nagani ga channel jung silva official timtang nun lami pi khubor laitkam Meghalaya PSC recruitment 2024 apply online for 103 posts. So Meghalaya PSC recruitment 2024 notification for MAS or Meghalaya Agriculture Service, Child Development Project Officer, Law Officer and Research Assistant. The last date is 29th of March 2024. So Meghalaya PSC recruitment 2024 notification on behalf of Government of Meghalaya, the Meghalaya Public Service Commission MPSC invites online application for the post of MAS Meghalaya Agriculture Service, Child Development Project Officer, Law Officer and Research Assistant. The last date for submission of the application is 29th of March 2024. Number 1, post name, Meghalaya Agriculture Service. 3 officers, Agriculture Development Officer, Horticulture Development Officer, Scientific Officer, Research, Seed Technology or Soil Testing or Seed Testing, etc. Number of posts 87, for unreserved posts 13, Khasi Jaintia 35, Garo 35, other ST/SC 4. So age limit 18 years to 32 years as of 1st of January 2024. The upper age limit is relaxable by 5 years of SC/ST. No age bar to regular government employees who enter government service within the prescribed age limit. Salary pay level 15 of revised pay structure. Essential qualification: BSc honors in agriculture, horticulture from the ICAL recognized institute university. Should be able to read or write in Khasi, Jaintia and Garo. Number 2, post name Child Development Project Officer under the Social Welfare Department. Number post 7, Reserve 1, Khasi Jaintia 2, Garo 3, other STSC 1, age limit 18 years to 32 years as of 1st January 2024. The age limit is relaxable by 5 years of STSC. No age bar for government employees who enter government service within the prescribed age limit. Salary pay level 15 of revised pay structure and the essential qualification. Master degree in social work from recognized university institute with specialization in any of the following: number 1, family and child welfare, criminology and correctional administration, urban and rural community development, social welfare administration, or master degree in social work general from any recognized university or institute. Master degree in home science with specialization in nutrition, dietetic, child development from any recognized university or institute. Should be able to read or write in Khasi, Jaintia and Garo. Four, post name residing assistant under the planning department. About post 5, on reserve 1, Khasi Jaintia 1, Garo 2, under STSC 1. Age limit 18 years to 32 years as of 1st January 2024. Relaxation 5 years for STSC. No age bar to regular government employees who enter government service within the prescribed age limit. Salary pay level 11 of revised pay structure. Essential qualification: bachelor degree in economics, mathematics, statistics as on the subject from any recognized university. Knowledge of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo language is desirable. How to apply for Meghalaya MPSC recruitment 2024? Candidates are up to apply the application through online modes only by clicking on the online application icon appearing on the MPSC website. Visit www.mpsc.nic.in. Application received through any other mode will not be accepted and will be summarily rejected. apply online for PMC recruitment 2024 direct link. Last date is on 29th of March 2024. For candidate applying online for the first time through online mode, a one-time registration process is required to enable them to apply for the advertisement of vacancies or the post. Application fees for the post serial number 1, 2, and 3 450. For post number 4, 300. Half of the rate of STSC who are permanent resident of state of Meghalaya. For person with band-matched disability, application fee is exempted subject to furnishing of the disability certificate to the commission. So applicants are advised to go through the Meghalaya and PSC recruitment 2024 official notification. So thank you kepada kini ka video kaba lawara EP kato katni kijing pentip te kermen ba pilayo kijing tip kiba yo let's say phim pat tip nang no te phin sobha ba lada don tenjung pi ki bala pendep yakini ki kelas ki kedan kiba kani ka MPSC kalapan te phin sobha ban late ban apply yakani yakini ki post ki ba pher ki ba don hadu chis pa lightly kermen ba kejimpe yakani ka video kani arab sibon yapi at kunjuru phin nang yo ya kita ki kam ki ba pi kwa te perlok baro tangkatahi kermen ba pindang don ba bora kamet kap koi bakia kumle sibon